educators! Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for Lexile Find a Decodable Book and Lexile Decodable Passages. With Find a Decodable Book, you can search for decodable books by short and long vowel sounds, as well as view a book's percentage of vowel sounds and words grouped by spelling patterns. With decodable passages, you can support reading instruction with fun, engaging passages designed to work with popular phonic scopes and sequences written by published decodable authors. So let's dig in and explore how these tools work. We'll begin by exploring Find a Decodable Book. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/find-a-decodable-book. Once in the tool, choose which letter sound you would like to search for. For this video, we'll select short A. The results page returns a list of decodable books you can purchase from a bookseller or borrow from your local library that feature the short A sound. If you hover over a book, it'll show you the percentage of words matching the short A sound. On the book details page, you can see the page count, word count, and total number of unique words. If you scroll down a bit further, you can see the Lexile Decodability Analysis. The Lexile Decodability Analysis breaks each book down by high frequency and irregular words, words grouped by common phonics patterns, and the percentage and list of multisyllabic words. The Lexile Decodability Analysis is a great tool to help you choose high-quality decodable books, organize your library, justify purchasing decisions, preview vocabulary with your students, and more. Even chapter books for older, struggling readers each come with their own Lexile Decodability Analysis by chapter. Now, let's explore the Lexile Decodable Passages tool. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/decodable-passages. Once in the tool, navigate to the Sound Spellings drop-down menu and select your instructional focus. For this video, we'll choose Short A. The Lexile Decodable Passages tool will return a list of 9 passages focused on the short A sound. Each passage comes with 2 comprehension questions and an illustration that does not give the contents of the passage away. You can even print each passage for ease of access in the classroom. Ready to get started? Head over to hub.lexile.com to begin exploring Lexile Find a Decodable Book and Lexile Decodable Passages today. Developed by Metametrics. Copyright 2024, Metametrics Incorporated, all rights reserved.